Welcome to my channel. Full detail video for Xiaomi 13T. Let's start. Smartphone brand Xiaomi is launching the 13T very soon. What's new? Buildos Android 13 Osui MIUI 14. Dimensions 162.2 x 75.7 x 8.5 mm. Weight 193 grams. SIM dual SIM, dual standby. Colors Alpine blue, meadow green, black. Frequency to G3G for G5G supported. Processor pubg 1x3.1 GHz Cortex-A78 plus 3x 3.0 GHz Cortex-A78 plus 4x 2.0 GHz Cortex-A55. Chipset MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra for nanometers GPU, Mali G610MC6. Display technology AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 6 8B colors. Multi-touch. Size, 6.7 inches resolution, 1220 by 2712 pixels, approximately 446 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5 extra features 1 for 4s. Dolby Vision, HDR10+, 1200 nits HBM to 1600 nits peak. Memory built-in to 156 GB built-in, 8/12 of a GB RAM, UFS 3.1. Camera main triple camera, 50MP, f/2 1.9, 24mm wide, 1.28. 1.22 micrometers, PDAF, OIS plus 50MP, f/2 1.9, 50mm telephoto, 1:2.88, PDAF, 2x optical zoom plus 12MP. f/2.2, 15mm ultra-wide, 1.3.06, LED flash. Front camera 20MP, f/2.2, wide, HDR, video opening parenthesis 1080p at 30 fps. HDR10+. Features like a lens, HDR, panorama, video 4K at 30 fps or 10+. 1080p at 30 60 120 fps, gyro eyes. Connectivity 1, Bluetooth, GPS, USB, NFC, infrared, data. Feature sensor rockers, barometer, color spectrum. Compass, fingerprint under display, optical, gyro. Extra glass front plus Gorilla Glass 5, glass back or silicone. Polymer back, aluminum frame, IP68 dust water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30-minute, document viewer. Battery capacity LiPo non-removable. 5000 mAh fast charging 607 wired, PD 3.0, QC4, 100% in 42-minute advertised. Price in RS. Coming soon expected Rs. 179,999 price in US coming soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.